All right, everyone, we got these AutoOne LED headlight bulbs. It's a set 9005, 9006 for high and low beams. We're going to be installing these on the C5 Corvette. Comes in a nice packaging. There's the specs. Go ahead and cut it open. Alright, inside we have the instruction manual, a set of gloves, and there are the LED bulbs. Take a quick look at the manual. It's your standard instruction manual. Warranty information and everything. Little QR code. The gloves seem like just standard gloves you get with the headlight bulbs that always come from overseas. So we have a 9005 Sylvania, and this is going to be the 9005 AutoOne. As you can see, they are very similar in size, just a little bit bigger. This AutoOne, it looks pretty nice. $9,005. Looks like it's internally cooled. Yep, there's got a fan in there. Nice chipset. Let's take a look at the 9006 real quick. And they look pretty much the same. Alright, well, these are supposed to drop right in and be a lot brighter. As you can see, they are very similar in size. The AutoOne just being a little bit bigger. The aluminum, the fit, the finish, everything feels good. So you get a set of bulbs in there. We're gonna go ahead and get them installed in the car. All right, we are at the C5. In order to change these headlights, you have to turn them on and then click the indicator stalk one back, so it turns the headlights off and leaves them up. It's very simple to change out. It looks like it's hard, but it's not. So inside the headlight housing, when they're up, you see two screws on this side, and you got one screw right there. You're gonna take those three screws off, and basically this piece right here is a lip. You're gonna rotate it down while pulling towards you, towards the front of the vehicle, down and out. And then basically you're gonna be left with just the housing like this. You're not gonna be able to really reach back there, so you're gonna have to open up the hood. As you can see, the headlights are down and the bulbs fit down there just like the stock bulbs do. No issues with clearance or anything. We're gonna flip them up and show you how bright they are. All right, we'll show you how the lights look now. Much brighter. This side here is hyper white and washed out, and as you can see, this side is not. It's hard to tell on the camera, but they are definitely brighter on the side that we put it in versus the stock side. So we're gonna turn it around and shoot it outside. It's not totally nighttime yet, but we'll see how it looks. All right, it's still daylight out, but we're gonna turn the one headlight on. Well, actually both headlights, but one side has the LEDs, one side has the regular bulb. The driver's side is the upgraded side. And we're shooting it right from the perspective of the center of the car, set back where the headlights were. You can't really tell much in the daytime, but we can see the reflection off of the car cover out there. And we do hear the little fans going on the LED side, so they're very quiet. You can hardly hear them. So we're gonna get the rest of the bulbs installed and then come out here at night and see how bright they are. All right, everyone, it is dark out now, so we'll turn on the headlights and see how they look. And as you can see, extremely bright. So we're gonna spin the camera around now so that you can see everything outside. All right, we have it facing outside now in the same area as we did earlier. And as you can see, it is much brighter out there. In day difference, you can see everything out there. It's pretty bright. I'm gonna go ahead and flick the high beams real quick to show that. Those are the high beams. Yeah, not too bad. And that's flashing with both of them on. All right, overall, we think the LED kit was definitely a good buy. The lights seem quality, they fit. They were almost the same exact size as the OEM ones. And we're gonna let you listen closely to see if you can hear those fans. It's an extremely low fan noise. You won't even hear it with the engine running. So we hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.